Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm making for you the egg and cheese breakfast burrito. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. 2 large eggs. A 1/4 cup grated cheddar cheese. 2 large flour tortilla, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, chopped bell peppers, diced onions, cooked bacon or sausage. First crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. Give them whisk until they're well combined. You can season them with a pinch of salt and pepper for extra flavor. Now heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and let it cook for a moment. As the eggs start to set, gently push them around with a spatula to create soft, fluffy curds. Sprinkle in the grated cheddar cheese. Now warm up your flour tortillas. Now, let's assemble our burrito. Place a generous scoop of the cheesy scrambled eggs onto the center of a tortilla. Feel free to get creative with your fillings. I'm adding some colorful bell peppers and crispy bacon for extra flavor and texture. Then roll up the tortilla. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today.